Hello YouTube, I am back with yet another video, and today we're going to be continuing the house building project. As you know, I'm building a house by myself, and the last video you saw me make this thing, this metal bender. I'm not going to do that again. So we are kind of on a rush. Heavy rains are approaching soon, and so I have some help here to kind of speed the process up. My goal is to be able to dig out the foundations and have the rebar columns put in place, everything put in place for the concrete pour, and have the concrete poured for the foundations before the rains come and ruin this whole thing. So I'm going to uncoil or unbend this rebar, and I'm actually going to unbend all of them, and my friend is going to be helping me dig out the foundations, and I will carry out from where he leaves it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, like it, subscribe, and comment down below. That really helps the channel, and I appreciate every single one of you that does so.
Cosa rara, che ti par del bel concerto, e conforma il vostro verso. Fate piatto favorito, fate piatto favorito, fate piatto saporito. Ma che barbaro appetito, che bocconi da gigante, mi par proprio di svenir, mi par proprio di svenir. Nel vedere i miei bocconi, mi par proprio di svenir, mi par proprio di svenir. Ma che barbaro appetito, che bocconi da gigante, nel vedere i miei bocconi, mi par proprio di svenir. Ma che barbaro appetito, mi par proprio di svenir. Che bocconi da gigante, mi par proprio di svenir. Mi par proprio di svenir. Mi par proprio di svenir.
So the foundation is going to be dug down 1 meter, which is roughly around 3 feet 4 inches in freedom units. Yeah, so we're digging all the way down to stable ground, which is better than the black cotton soil that is prevalent in this area, and that is so bad for construction. So we're going to be removing most of it, and we'll set our foundations on stable ground, which is some sort of marram. So that is what we are aiming, and we are going to be removing all of this soil, so the foundation will have a good and stable base.
Piano piano poi io tir, mangiando quel marrano, fingerò io tir.
So I'm done cutting rebar for the day, and now I'm going to be cutting them into smaller pieces for the column footing, or the column pad. I think that's the accurate name for it. I'm going to be cutting it at 80 centimeter increments. I have had a structural engineer look at it, and it's accurate and sufficient for what you're doing. And so I'm going to be doing that for all 4 columns, and then I'll go to cutting the rebar for the column itself.
Eccellente il vostro cuoco, e lo voglia chi provò, e lo voglia chi provar. Si eccellente il
now cutting the rebar for the column itself. And one pro tip I can give you is don't cut the rebar at the same exact height. Cut them at varying lengths so that you can splice them well and they're structurally sound. I'll share why in the next video, but just a food for thought. So here I'm cutting some little pieces of rebar to use them as a kind of guide to help me bend my rebar. And this is quite a archaic solution. I mean, I don't have the time to come up with a better solution, but this is what I have available, and that with the time I have, yeah, I just have to use this. And if you're also thinking of getting a bench grinder, I'll be making a video on this one I have here from Total Tools. In a video, you can watch it on the top right. Yeah.
Di ritrovarlo, io non cercate notte, lontano andò, lontano andò. E non colosso, ma se non posso, ma se non posso, ma se non posso. Raccongo è poco, badate un poco, piombo di sasso, fermati passo, giusto da sotto, chiedi il gran botto, giusto là il cavolo, senza un cucciolo, però l'evento.
So that's going to be it for this video. I'll be posting the next one soon, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video, comment down below, and YouTube thinks you like this next video, so watch it.